Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a spiral spring in design. Okay, so let's start now. From here go to front plane and select sketch and draw a circle and give the dimension for circle. Here I will give 50 mm. Then I exit from the sketch and go to features and select from here helical and spiral. Here some options will be there. Here parameters are there: constraint, pitch and variable pitch. Now I am going to show you how to draw constant pitch. Okay, in this diameter I will give pitch 1 mm and revolution means its height I will take 20 mm. Okay, then degree will be 0 and direction will be clockwise coil direction. It will be from here like this. See, it will create from here like this clockwise. Okay, say okay, then go to swept and sorry, now we have to draw a sketch for here for coil purpose. So I will select top plane, then I will draw a circle here. I will take 0.5 mm, exit from sketch and go to features, select swept. Here profile and path is there, and this will be the profile and this line will be the path. Okay, so now it created spring. Then say okay. See, now created spring. And one more thing I will show you here. It should be parallel to this area. This space should be parallel to this face. Okay, for that we have to draw a sketch here. From here okay, go to feature and extrude cut. See, this will be flat now. You can do this method for both area. Okay, so this is the way we have to create a spring, and this is the simple spring. It is very easy and you can draw, and this is for especially for beginners. Okay, thank you for watching and please subscribe.